going on, guys? In this box we have a transmission for the Sambar. We're gonna get it out of this box, we're gonna get it in the bed, we're gonna disassemble it all right here so that you know what you're doing with a transmission out of a Subaru Sambar. Let's do it. There it is, cracked, but we knew it was cracked. So what you're looking at here is the transmission out of a Subaru Sambar. We have the mount for the rear transmission connector. We have the clutch engagement fork. You can see here on the inside what we're moving around. We have where one of the axles comes in. On the other side, down here, the axle. We have the skid plate at the bottom. This is what holds the cable for your clutch fork. We have the outer section of gears, and we've got the flywheel area, clutch and all the goodness. So let's get into this and see what happens.